Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify Flow. This powerful automation tool helps you streamline your store operations, saving you valuable time and effort. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on growing your business. Shopify Flow is a key feature for merchants on the Advanced and Plus plans, offering robust capabilities to enhance efficiency and productivity across your entire store. Understanding triggers and actions is fundamental to building effective workflows. A trigger is an event that initiates your automation, such as a customer placing a new order or a product going out of stock. Once triggered, an action is the task Shopify Flow performs, like sending a notification or updating an inventory level. You can also add conditions to specify exactly when these actions should occur. Let's walk through building a simple workflow. First, access the Flow app from your Shopify admin dashboard. You can either select from a variety of pre-built templates or start a completely new workflow. For instance, choose Order Created as your trigger, then add an action like send internal email to notify your team about new sales. It's quite straightforward to get started. Before making your workflow live, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Use the Run Test feature within Shopify Flow to simulate a trigger event and observe its behavior. After testing, review the workflow history to ensure everything ran as expected. Once you are confident, simply activate the workflow, and it will begin automating tasks, saving you time and effort every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.